first question, I'm gonna ask, what is slope? If you don't have any idea, you need to watch this video. Slope can be calculated by the formula m equal change in output divided change in input. Output means rise and the input means run. But what is rise? Basically, the rise give you the clues about the direction. Slope is going down or going up or keep the horizontal. For example, if the m is positive number, that means the slope going up. When the m equals 0, that slope would keep horizontal and parallel to x-axis. The m less than 0, the slope would going down. So what is run in here? Run is the horizontal displacement. So here we rewrite the function as m equal y2 minus y1 divided x2 minus x1. We make a randomly slope and see how that works. First of all, we pick 2 points. Delta y is the vertical displacement, which present here is y2 minus y1. The graph going up, we can see the m is a positive number. And from earlier, we already know that delta x is the horizontal displacement. We call it run, present by x2 minus x1. Now let us make an example. Separate this area. Example. Let us say y equal minus 1 over 2, x plus 7. You might ask, where's this formula coming from? It's come from the linear function fx equal mx plus b. In here, minus 1/2 is the m, and 7 is the b. So what's the clue we have here so far? Basically, we know the slope is m, means minus 1/2. The b equals 7, which tells us the y-intercept at 0, 7. Now let's make the graph to see how that works. We know the point at 0, 7 on y-intercept. We know the slope is going down because of the sign of the slope is negative. By the function, we can see the slope, but what slope mean? Slope mean, do you remember? Slope mean delta y divided delta x, which present for rise over run. The rise is -1. The run is 2. By rise minus 1, run 2, rise minus 1, run 2, 7 times, we found the x-intercept on 14, 0. By connecting 2 points, we get the graph of y equal minus half x plus 7. Next point, we're gonna use a table to test as if our graph is correct or not. We are gonna find 5 different points to complete our table. And we already have 2 points. The one is y-intercept and another one is x-intercept. Then next step, I'm gonna pick different numbers of x, plug back to the original function I made. Because our unit for input by run is 2. So I'm gonna pick the number 2 for x. We plus 2 back into the original function I made. And we already have our m and a b, so we get the y equal 6. So this is exactly matches the graph what we have. So let us try other numbers. Then we try 4 as the input. Then we get output is 5. Next one we're gonna try 6. The output is 4. So by the equation form, we can tell how the slope works, and we can representing a linear function in a graphical form.